You know, with the current state of South Africa and the way the Constitutional Court has recently ruled on the kill the Boer situation, it's always great to see judges that actually have rationale, that are actually doing their job, or at least trying to. Who am I talking about? Well, let's get into it.
When people zone have our smallanyana skeletons.
Did I hear that correctly? Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Newsflash. I'm your host Emilio. Thanks for tuning in. Senzo Meyiwa, beloved Bafana captain, was shot dead in 2014 at his girlfriend Kelly Kumalo's house. What was called a robbery soon spiraled into a messy, years-long murder trial filled with delays, shocking testimony, and claims of cover-up. 5 men are now on trial and have been on trial since April 2022. The proceedings have been marked by numerous delays, including changes in illegal representation and disputes over the admissibility of confessions. As of June 2025, the trial is still ongoing in the Pretoria High Court. So why am I talking about all this? Well, the judge that is currently dealing with this case, let's just say, went through something interesting.
Advocate Nisi. Okay, let's read it. Dear colleague, it's not addressed to me because I'm not his colleague. May you kindly convey my humble request of leave of absence on Monday, the 9th June, 2025, to the Honorable Judge. The reason for my unavailability on this date is that I will be running the Comrades Marathon on Sunday, the 8th of June 2020, and will be driving back on the following day, being the Monday. That I have referred to. I know this may affect the proceedings in the above mentioned matter, but may I apologize in advance for the inconvenience to be occasioned by this request. Kind regards. Now, this is what I talk about. Mr. Mnisi doesn't think he can write to me directly. He writes to me through my registrar, Ashley, and the lady in front here.
Okay, now, firstly, what the judge was reading was from the advocate who wants leave from court because he's at the Comrades Marathon and will not be available on the Monday.
Is he serious?
This is the state of our courts in South Africa, ladies and gentlemen. But the lawyers and the advocates present in the courtroom debate about whether or not this guy should have used the reception or whatever it's called to contact the judge. Not important. What is important is what is said here.
So I'm not going to respond. If Mr. Mnisi doesn't want to come to court on Monday, that's his business. I will be in court. And the JP expects me to be in court. Can't tell the JP somebody is going to run the marathon. So case should stop. Everybody should watch the marathon, I suppose.
And I applaud the judge for saying this. I mean, it's a ridiculous excuse. I mean, different story if the guy was expecting the birth of his first child or whatever. I'm sure the judge may have been a bit more sympathetic to that. But that's not all the judge had to say. Have a look at this.
Judge Stoker also is an athlete. But he'll never take time to say, I'm not coming to court because I'm going to be running the marathon. Never. At the West, I know Judge Mbao would make arrangements that he must expand part of his leave during that time so that he doesn't interfere with the timetable of the court. This case, people are talking justice delayed, justice denied, 10 years, no justice, case is just dragging on. The family is distraught, the brothers, the relatives, even the accused themselves, they've been 2 to 3 years in custody. And here's this stupid judge called Ratamokhatlin. You allow a person who's representing 2 of the accused here to go and run a marathon. I must go and tell the JP. When the JP asks me, why were you not sitting, or the DJP, Why were you not sitting on Monday? No, we're waiting for Advocate Nisi to come drive back to Joburg, to wherever, because he was running a marathon. This is South Africa, run by blacks. Can tell you now, even if you call me an Uncle Tom, I don't think a white advocate can have the gall to ask me that. Never.
Wow, some hard truths there, I think. Maybe a little bit too harsh, I don't know. But some people saying he made a good point. What kind of circus is going on in the courts when an advocate is asking for time off so that he can do a marathon? So crime or justice is not important to you, not as important as running this marathon. And as he pointed out, some judges who are athletic make time. They will say, okay, I'm going to be off for a week during this time to not interrupt court proceedings. But clearly this judge was deeply offended by what this advocate was asking for, and rightfully so. You want the justice system to be on pause while you run a marathon, and not just any case, right? This isn't just a robbery or whatever. This is the Senzo case. This has been dragging on for years and years and years. Like the judge said, the family is distraught, people are upset, and now this advocate, I don't even care if he's black, Indian, white, whatever, just an advocate has the cojones, the balls, to tell the judge, listen, I'm going for a run. So I know this case is high profile. I know this case has been dragging on for 10 years. I know that people want answers, and I know that people want justice. But you know what, judge? I really want to run. I just feel like I need to run. The stress is getting to me. Like, I don't understand. Yeah, guys, this is the situation. But thank goodness that judge was like, well, come hell or high water, Monday, we're continuing on. So who knows what's going to happen to that advocate? Maybe this means another delay or something. I don't know. But yeah, it sounds like the court proceedings are going to keep on going, and hopefully we'll get some answers soon. But I just wanted to commend this judge and give, applause and credit where it's due. Finally, a judge that puts down his foot and says, you know what, I'm not gonna appease this. This is ridiculous. It's not a good excuse. Court continues. We need justice. We need more judges like this judge. And maybe we should give him the Kill the Boer case. And maybe he'd also say some pretty hard truths with that as well. Now, of course, this judge is in the High Court, and he's not a Supreme Court judge. I understand that. But I'm just saying, maybe more judges like him should be in the Supreme Court. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, ladies and gentlemen. Do you agree with this judge? Do you not agree with this judge? Do you think the judge was being harsh? Too harsh? Let me know. While you're down there in the comment section, don't forget to leave a like on this video and follow me no matter where you're watching this video, whether you're watching on X, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Drop me a follow. And if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're not watching on YouTube, go to YouTube and give me a subscribe. Don't forget that you can also become a member on my YouTube channel. It goes a long way to supporting me and helping me to produce content for you guys. There's a lot of exclusive perks if you're a member, so please check out that join button at the bottom of this video if you're watching on YouTube. And with all that being said, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Your Newsflash is in.
What is that, a donut? Oh my God, it's alive! Ah! Hey, yo, break yourself! Oh, man, that was dumb. Oh, I'm gonna play it off. I might have broken my vertebrae. Yep, this is the stupid bike that hit me yesterday, so you know what? This is what you get for riding on the sidewalk like an idiot. My work is done here. What's up, dude?
What's going on, man?
What's going on? I'll tell you exactly what the hell is going on. The freaking catnip you gave me got me high as hell. Jerk. Oh, there you are, Tail. I've been looking all over for you. I'm gonna just grab you just like that. What the hell is this bag come from? Get the hell off of me. Tail, free. Snack time. Dude, I'm telling you, I buried the bowl right here. I even marked it with my pee and everything. Can't you smell it? I can taste it. Ow! Seriously, dude? What the hell's your freaking problem? Give me a freaking hand. What the hell are you, stupid jerk? Open the door, it's me. I freaking love you, dude. You know what? No homo, but I want to show you how much I appreciate you. Come here. Mwah.